severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for southern Dakota County. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Rosemount, or 15 miles northeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Dakota County, including the following locations: Coates, Vermilion, Hampton, Randolph, New Trier, and Meadville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Dakota, Minnesota. The Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Pierce County, Southern St. Croix County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Roberts, or near River Falls, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. Reported damage to trees and power lines in addition to up to golf ball-sized hail northeast of Hudson. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cameron around 3:05 p.m. Baldwin around 3:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Pierce and St. Croix. This is Weather Radio Station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dakota County, west central Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota, east central Rice County, until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Farmington, or 12 miles northeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for southern Dakota, northwest Goodhue, and northeast Rice County's. Expected hazards include baseball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts.
Holy shit, it's only marginal.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cannon Falls around 3:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Northfield, Stanton, and Nerstrand. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, Goodhue, and Rice. A severe thunderstorm was located near Baldwin, or 12 miles east of River Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Woodville around 3:40 p.m.
Woodville.
Other locations in the rest of the
Let's pull up the St. Clair County scene.
For your protection, move to your room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following
Focus, come on.
counties in Wisconsin, Pierce, and St. Croix. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Steele County, southwestern Goodhue County, and southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Rice County, until 4:30 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northstrom, or 10 miles southeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Holy cow, 2-inch
This is a
hail.
radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Kenyon around 4:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Goodhue, Rice, and Steele. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Anoka County, Northern Washington County, Northern Ramsey County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Blaine, or 14 miles north of Minneapolis, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shoreview, Lino Lakes, and Arden Hills around 4:30 p.m. Hugo and Vadnais Heights around 4:40 p.m. Maplewood around 4:45 p.m. Oakdale, White Bear Lake, and Matamidi around 4:50 p.m. Stillwater and Lake Elmo around 5:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Grant, Willoughby, North St. Paul, Circle Pines, Lexington, Centerville, North Oaks, Gem Lake, Delwood, and Blaine Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Anoka, Ramsey, and Washington. Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Steele County, southwestern Goodhue County, and southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Rice County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenyon, or 11 miles northeast of Owatonna, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Steele, southwestern Goodhue, and southeastern Rice counties, including the following locations: Mullen and Rice Lake State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Goodhue, Rice, and Steele. The National Weather Service